Hi friends, this video shows how to install game in this Google TV. So first you go to apps, select apps from top, then go down and search for apps and games. Select it. Then here we need to type the name of the app which you want to install. So I am going to install Badland. Let me type Badland here. So let me type only bad here. Okay, then select search, select the search button. So now it's searching for bad. So this is a result, search result from this list. See, select Badland. So this is a game. I am going to install it. Select install. Now it's downloading Badland game. Now it's installing the game. Okay, installation completed. Let me open the game. Select play. Okay, done. So this way we can install any game. Just search for the game. Just go to the app section, then search for the game and install it. Let me go back to main screen. Then go to your apps. So here we can see that newly installed game icon. From here we can open that game. So if you go to for you section and then go to your apps, from here also we can open that game. See, this is a game icon. Okay, so this way we can install any game. So please try this.